Welcome to the Ferwood showroom. We have decided to offer you this new experience. From today, it will be possible to make a remote appointment with Ferwood. Our managers can take you around our showroom and show you our machinery live. They will answer all your questions and interact with you as if you were here with us. You can also talk with our technical engineers about everything you need to know with regard to installation, maintenance, spares and accessories. They will help you at every stage needed to answer all of your questions. A direct, innovative and immediate solution to bring us closer to you. To book your live demo, simply go to our website and click on the button Book a Live Demo. You can book your visit in just a few steps. We will confirm your appointment as soon as possible. Just one more way we can continue to work alongside you to achieve the best for your business. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at the Ferwood showroom, now also available virtually.